Look at this. It says, what is the 23rd term of the arithmetic progression? This is the first example we're going to look at. Remember, we just finished with the introduction. If you have not seen that video, go back and look at the video. We've established that the nth term of any arithmetic progression is a plus n minus 1 d. This is the first term. This is the term we are looking at. This is the common difference. Before you can apply this formula, this common difference must surface. So we need to investigate if for this, if there is what? A common difference. How do we know there is a common difference? That's to say, d is equals to minus 3 minus the first term, which is minus 7, okay? Which is minus 3 plus 7, which is 4. Okay? If we go ahead again, I say 1 minus this minus 3 minus 3, that is still 4. Because the difference between this and the difference between this and this is 4, is constant. Therefore, we can apply this formula. Okay? And we are told that what? It is arithmetic progression. This alone is enough for us to evoke this formula. Okay? Therefore, we're going to put the first term, as you can see, is minus 7. We are looking for the 23rd term. That's n is 23 minus 1. The common difference is 4. Okay? That is to say, minus 7 plus, this is 22 multiplied by 4. That is minus 7 plus 88. You agree with me? This will give us 88 minus 7, which is 81. Okay? So 81 is the 23rd term. Okay? All this is understood. Thank you for viewing.